Pinoy na minamaliit, binastos at sinayawan sa gitna ng laban. Dahil gawin lang daw itong pampataba. Pero hindi pumayag dito si Kabayan na hindi makaganti, hambog 4 times pinabagsak.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan.
Ang mga Pinoy boxer ay madalas binabastos, minaliit, lalo na kapag tayo ang lumalaban sa harap ng mas kilalang pangalan. Pero may mga gabi na ang yabang ay may kapalit. Katulad ng nangyari sa kababayan nating si Jundi Maraon, tubong Molave, Zamboanga del Sur. Binansag ang pretty boy dahil sa lakas at tulis ng kanyang mga suntok. Hindi lang magandang galaw ang dala sa ring, kundi kamaong kayang magpatahimik ng maingay na kalaban. Alaga ni Nonito Donaire Sr., WBO Asia Pacific Bantamweight Champion, may record na 13 panalo, walang talo, at 10 knockout. Sa kabilang sulok, ang dayong mula Tanzania, si Anthony Matthias. Tinaguri ang piston mover, 23 panalo, 18 knockout, at iisang talo lamang. Kaya malakas ang loob, nagyabang, nanindak, at nagbanta pa na patutulugin daw ang Pinoy sa harap mismo ng sariling crowd. Pero sa gabing iyon, may leksyong naghihintay.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan.
Round 1, agresibo agad si Matthias. Gustong ipakita na seryoso ang kanyang mga salita. Pero si Maraon, kalmado lang, tahimik, naghihintay, nagbabasa ng galaw.
Of a crushing third round knockout over Jason Nogueira. Eh kung paano po humilata si Ricky Hatton against Manny Pacquiao, eh mas grabe po nangyari ron. Actually,
Mula sa solidong kaliwa ni Maraon, bagsak ang hambog ngunit nakatayo pa ito at lumaban. Tinamaan ng solid.
Dennis Principal, isang straight ang ibinigaw ni Jundi Maraon, and that was the same punch that floored Jason again. Going for the kill. Another left by Jundi Maraon, and medyo nadulas doon si Jundi Maraon. Now he's going for the kill. He knows that his opponent is in trouble.
But he should take it easy. You
Dahil
can never be confident against these Africans.
bumabalik yung African, ha?
Oh, yes.
Bumabalik
Look at that.
si
Look at
Matias.
Look at that.
And pretty boy, very cautious right now. And that's the right thing to do. Hindi siya nanggigigil. Showing maturity. Another left by Jundi Maraon.
That left is really... Look at that.
And pretty boy, very cautious right now. And that's the right thing to do. Hindi siya nanggigigil. Showing maturity. Another left by Jundi Maraon.
That left is really...
Oh. And Matias' days. Body shot by Maraon. Another left by Jundi. And now Jundi going for the kill. Matias is in deep trouble. And Matias missing a left. Or rather, ingat din siya, no? Hindi niya pino-force yung action.
Good left. A good right there by Matias.
And Matias missing a left of this 12-round encounter.
Good right there by Matias.
It'll be a short night. Jundi Maraon defending his regional title. Counter left to the body by Maraon. Pretty boy, pretty much in charge of this fight. Right by Matias, left jab. And mukhang nakaka-recover na nga yung Tanzanian fighter. Right by Matias. And mukhang nakaka-recover na nga yung Tanzanian fighter. Now Matias using it left jab to ward off and derail any attempt around to connect that left, but he again connects with a strong left combination, body shot, everything being thrown now by Jundi Maraon.
Round 2, mas naging komportable ang Pinoy. At matapos ang isang mabigat na kaliwa, bumagsak si Matias, nakabangon pa, Pero halata na agad ang epekto ng kamao ni Maraon.
No, parang malapad at matangkad si Maraon for a bantamweight. Matthias. Combination by Maraon.
Binabantayan na ni Matthias ngayon yung kaliwa ni Junti Maraon.
Be the end of it. Here again.
Good left again by Junti Maraon. Staggers African to Tanzanian once again. But
Bumabalik pa rin. No? Kumakounter pa rin si Matthias.
there's another left. There is. Actually sa loob. Mama. Baksak pa niya.
Ano ba? This was how money.
Round 3, sinubukang bumawi ng Tanzanian. Pero sa bawat palitan, mas eksakto ang tama ng Pinoy.
Maraon already scored 2 knockdowns in this fight.
One in the first.
And
Another
one
in the second.
Courtesy of that kind of left. Just been jabbed. And we're under 1 minute in the second. Punta doon sa kaliwa yung kanyang footwork. Decent.
Another left there by Junti Maraon.
Decent.
Another left there by.
Could be. This could be the end of the fight. Going for the cage. Body shot. Countless.
Good left there by Junti Maraon. Oh, mama yung Matias. Mama yung jab.
Dalawa. Body shot by Maraon. Okay. And he has floored Matthias twice in this fight. First and second round. There's that left again.
Isang kombinasyon at muling bumagsak si Matias. Pero imbes na mag-ingat, sinayawan pa niya si Maraon. Parang hindi pa rin naniniwala sa nangyayari.
That could
There's
be it.
another left.
Uy, pero tumayo pa rin si Matthias. Parang tinulak lang. But that's the third time that Matthias has been floored.
Round 4, dinagdagan pa ng Pretty Boy ang pressure. Sunod-sunod na kombinasyon. Gustong tapusin ang laban, pero matigas pa rin ang dayo.
Matthias is a fighter in black.
A good left. Right straight there by Anthony Matias. I am surprised and amazed at the resilience.
Sturdy, fighter.
Oh yes, resilience.
Sturdy, fighter.
Oh yes. You have to give it to him.
Kanyang footwork. Decent.
Again. Ang tibay, Tibay gloves made in Cebu. This is the first time out of it, the second time out of it. That we're using this in a big boxing event. And we're doing this to support
Going for the kill. Junti Maraon. Body shot. Countless.
Break, only.
He is in black, Maraon in red. The undefeated fighter from Braveheart Boxing Club, Junti Maraon, Southpaw. He's the reigning regional champion in the bantamweight division, and that title is at stake.
Round 5, dito nagsimulang bumagal si Matias. Unti-unting nawawala ang sigla, habang patuloy na tumatama ang solidong suntok ng Pinoy.
all by Junti Maraon.
One each in the first, second, and third rounds. There's a jab again. The Junti Maraon, his favorite shot, that left straight. And he has floored Matthias.
Round 6, dito na natikman ng hambog na negro ang bangis na kamao ni Maraon.
WBO regional title at stake. Defending champion Jundi Maraon.
Again, let me
Red.
express my admiration to the resilience of the Tanzanian fighter, Anthony Matias. 3 knockdowns in 6 rounds, and he's still up there, exchanging punches with Jundi Maraon.
And now, Matias is very active with his left jab. Maraon still the patience of Maraon being tested here. Yes, that's from Jundi Maraon. Isa na naman, pinatama ni Jundi Maraon. Good control, this fight. Combination by Jundi. There's that another left straight. Alam mo, mas improve yung timing ko ba ni
yes.
Maraon ngayon compared to his last 3 fights. Very active with his left jab.
Again, staggers the Tanzanian.
Jundi Maraon showing composure.
Isang malinis na kaliwa ang eksaktong tumama. Bumagsak si Matias. At sa pagkakataong ito, pinilit pa nitong tumayo at nagpakita ng tapang.
Another knockdown.
Pero tayo agad. But this time,
I think he's hurt.
biglang tumayo si Matias, ha? There again, at left of Jundi Maraon, specialty of the house. More lefts,
It's
and
all
that's
over.
it.
It's all over.
At kahit tila nabitin pa ang hambog na dayo, isang malinaw na mensahe na ang iniwan ng gabi. Matagumpay na naiuwi ni Jundi Maraon ang kanyang WBO title. Mga idol, ano ang masasabi ninyo sa ipinakitang laban ng Pretty Boy? Pag-usapan natin sa komento at isama na rin ang inyong lugar upang malaman natin saan umabot ang suporta ng mga Pinoy para sa ating mga boxers.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.